Hi my loves, I'm back with another video. In today's video we got some MelodySusie. I got actually the full size, you guys. Each one is 50, what is it, 50 what? So let's open the box and figure it out first before I start talking. I just know it's 50. I don't remember what the letters are. My mind is blank right now. Okay, so I will put up the link below of where to get it, you guys. So this is some Polygel. You get 3 of them. That's the instructions. So each one's 50 grams. Okay, I knew it was grams. I just wanted to make sure. So you get a nail file, you guys, and you get a Polygel brush with the little spatula thing on the end. Don't forget to like this video, you guys. Okay, so right here, the first one we got is white. Okay, so I tested out the white. It went on pretty good. It went on better than any other whites I tried before. It was a little hard to work with at first, but I got used to it. So the clear, it's actually pretty clear, you guys. When you first put it on, it looks like it's going to be really, really foggy, but once it cures, it's really, really clear. So that's the clear one for you guys. And the next one we got is the light pink. So the light pink, that was very easy to work with too. Out of all of them, I would say the white one is the easiest, then it's pink, and then it's white. Did I say white first or clear? I didn't say clear? Oh, so sorry you guys. Clear first. Then pink, then white. So I'm gonna need y'all to check out Femi's Beauty YouTube page and Instagram. But on her YouTube page, she basically used nail tips to make them longer, and she used base gel instead of nail glue. So you guys should check it out and try it. And then over that, you put a base coat over it to make it smooth and even. So check her out. I'll put her link below, you guys. All right. So right here, this is everything I'm about to use. You see, you got some pretty hearts, and I got some foils, the pretty colors, and some of the hearts are transparent, not transparent, but iridescent. It's a unicorn, holographic. Oh my gosh, you guys, I was so excited when I got these. Like, you get so many, and they're really flat. So I got 2 of these, so I don't know. You guys let me know which color you guys like the best. So I'm gonna speed the video up for you guys. I'm just gonna apply the Polygel, the pink one, light pink. And I have to say, it went on really good, you guys. It was really smooth. Felt like butter. One thing I would say about it, you guys, right before you cure it in the UV light, you might see like bubbles, like little baby bubbles of the alcohol just sitting on there. What you should do, don't put it right in after you shaped your nail. Like, let the nail sit for like 15 to 30 seconds, and you see that it looks extra smooth when you do that. And then you put it into the UV light and let it cure. Because if you don't do that and you just let it cure before you do that, you're gonna see it in the nail and it don't look attractive at all. I'm not sure if you can file it out, but I just don't like the way it looks. I feel like it's more work you gotta do. I will say with the pink one, you guys, I noticed the more you put on, the darker it gets. And as you can see, like in some areas, it's a little lighter than the others. So when I finish the nails, they all won't look the same color. Some will be a lighter pink, some will be a darker pink, and some will be in between. And I don't know, maybe you could do like an ombre effect with it, you know, on your nails or something. Like have part of it light pink and then darker pink. Just a thought out there. I mean, just a thought. Did I say thought? I just want to tell you guys thank you for all your support and all your love on Instagram and on here. I'm thinking I might do a giveaway since I reached over 300 subscribers. You guys let me know. It'll just be a little quick little giveaway. Not like a whole lot. But you guys let me know, okay? So you guys, I cured that and I filed it down. I didn't put that on camera. I make sure I got the really smooth. I like the shape, you guys. So the thing that I'm working on is gel application. I know it could be a little hard at times if you add too much and it start to get lumpy and it doesn't mess up your whole shape. Well, that's what happened with these nails. So what you see, the shape now is still a little bit of the shape, but not as much. So right here, I'm going to show you everything that I'm using for this little mani. So I'm going to mix all these together. Not all on the same nail, but, you know, 2 of each or 1 of each. So let's get into this and I'll be back. Oh, and right here, I think I should, so I used Shea Martyr in the foil transfer one or the glitter one, I can't remember. And I feel like some of these foils are like a little too big and they don't like, they're not really as flexible, so some are kind of sticking out and it's a little hard. But I did cure it and I feel like maybe I shouldn't have cured it and it would have like melted and seeped into it better, because it kind of took me a while, and when I put the builder gel on it kind of messed it up. So I just wanted to add that in there. you guys, I just want to say, right here, I forgot to record me doing the builder gel. That was a real struggle, you guys. So right here, I'm going to use the Model 1's top coat. I actually have some of their top coat, you guys. I was super excited. And I have another one too. So, as you can see, this one, as I was talking about earlier, it's like a lighter pink, kind of. A little bit. And this is on regular speed for you guys because it's putting on the top coat. You know, people just enjoy that. I think it's soothing and relaxing myself. Honestly, I do. Other people don't like it. But yeah, you can see how the builder gel kind of changed the shape. And I noticed if I was falling down too hard, it was taking some of the stuff away. And plus my arm was hurting, you guys. So yeah. Oh, see that how it's lighter at the end, but the ring finger, I think I like that one the most. That color, I like it when it's a little darker. All right, you guys, I'm about to cut out of this video and let you watch the rest, and I will catch you in the next one. All right, bye.